I feel like I'm crooked again, but I think it's my hair that's making me look crooked. Hi everyone, I'm Carmelita James and welcome to my channel, Asiana Beauty, where I like to spill the tea on anything beautiful. On my channel, I like to create videos to help you look more beautiful, feel more beautiful, surround yourself with beautiful things, and just live a more beautiful life. Who doesn't want that? I need that in my life desperately right now. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be playing with makeup and doing it a different way than I've ever done before. I've seen a lot of videos where people actually do reverse makeup, where you use your cream products and you do it underneath your foundation. You kind of do it all backwards. Honestly, I'm going to have to do this video again because I forgot to do the blush and the highlighter cream products, but you know. So pretty much we're just going to be playing with makeup today. If you're new to my channel and you like videos like this, I would definitely love it if you check out some of my other videos down below. And if you like them and want to become a subscriber and join my YouTube family, I would absolutely love it. Make sure to hit that notification bell though, because whoever knows where I'm going to post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber and already part of my YouTube family, you already know how much I love you and how much you truly, truly mean to me. And if you want to check out how I got this sunset summery eyeshadow look and see my reviews on the Profusion palettes, then I will leave a card up above and I will also link it down below for you so you can go check out that video. So if you want to come on this epic fail of a journey with me and just see what happened when I did my reverse makeup, then stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out something I've seen quite a lot of lately and I just wanted to see if it actually works as well as I've seen it work. I'm going to try doing my makeup backwards. This is when we're going to put our cream, concealer, and contour on first and then put our foundation on over. It's supposed to give you a very natural look. So yeah, we're just going to test it out and see how it goes. He's going to be loud and drive me crazy. Once again, Dave is in the kitchen cooking, so when you hear all that loud banging and crashing like I know I heard in my other video, that's why. But at least some good dinner is coming. Tomorrow night is my turn. I'm cooking dinner, so I gotta get this done now. And of course, the cream contour that I wanted to use, I cannot find anywhere. So I'm gonna have to use a different one because I don't know where anything is. Nope. I found it. Okay. So I was going to use like one of my matchsticks, the contour, and I also have an Anastasia one. I don't know if like a thicker stick would work better or if like the more liquidier one would work. Maybe I'll try one on each side and you know what, that's what we'll do. We'll try one on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and use my ABH stick, which is in the color Mink. I use this for contour, so I'm going to use this on one side, and then I will use my LA Girl Pro Conceal on this side. This is in shade Beautiful Bronze. This is perfect for my channel. Okay, I wanted to have my primer done, but I didn't. So let's do that first. I'm just using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And when I do my eyes, I'm actually doing that in a different video. So I'm cheating by doing my makeup. I'm splitting it into 2 videos. My plan is to do a nice summer eye look since it is now officially summer. So if you want to check out the eye look at the end of this video, I will put a card up or I will link it down below so you can go check out that eye look. So yeah, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to contour first. So I'm going to use this stick on one side. That's kind of a lot. But I guess that's the point. You kind of need it for it to go through. Oh man, that's not straight at all. That's nice. And I guess you're not really supposed to blend it that well either because you're going to be kind of blending it when you put your foundation on. I'm going to go ahead and use the liquid on this side. Well, the more liquidier. I got this amazing mirror on Amazon for like 27 bucks. It has the 5-time magnification on this side and it lights up and I absolutely love this mirror. I've seen them a lot. You can spend a lot of money on these mirrors. I've seen some for over $100. So this one I absolutely love because it was not over $100. And my face is breaking out so bad, you guys. I've had stress breakouts so bad. My life has just been so stressful. Okay, so I'm gonna use one beauty blender. Wow, it's like ready to pop. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it, but not a lot, I guess. I mean, I'm not really good at contouring and stuff anyway. I'm always doing my makeup so fast lately when I try to go to work and everything. I never have time to do anything, so I just feel like my makeup's been looking hella crazy. So that's how my life has been. I don't have time to do anything. My house is just a disaster. I work a full-time job in construction, remodeling a 250-year-old farmhouse. And then I come home and I have to do all my housewife duties and clean the house and do the laundry and do the dishes. And then I'm also trying to become YouTube famous. I was listening to a Peter Mon video and that's all I can think of now is how he just always says, I'm YouTube famous now. Which, that's not really my goal, but whatever. I look hella crazy. Thumbnail. Okay. Hopefully we got a thumbnail shot there. Alright, let's try and put some concealer on. I am going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible. Actually, I had a lighter one I wanted to use. Just because I feel like it should probably be lighter than you would normally use if you're going to put foundation on over it. I think you're also supposed to use like a watery foundation, which I'm not really using today just because I want to try something else. So I'm actually going to go in with the Bye Bye Under Eye in Light Golden, which is actually not, it's not the color I thought it was, but that's what we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and maybe get some of this out. I don't know if I really want to use this one. Let's just try putting some of that under the eye really quick and see what happens. I've only used this a couple times. Oh hell, look, I barely put any on, holy crap. I also need to learn how to contour my flat Asian nose. Wow, this stuff, you only need a tiny bit, I guess. Scratch the thumbnail picture before, I think I'm gonna have to do it now. Look at how messy I'm getting this. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, right? We're gonna blend it. But then my other thing is, then are we just gonna have to use powders over it? A lot of times that's why I don't understand. What is the point of using cream products when you just have to put powder over them anyway? So that's actually another video I wanna try is, do you really need to put the powder over it, like the bronzer over it and the contour over it, and like what is the point of even using the cream products? I just don't understand. So that'll be a future video. Okay, so I guess let's put some of this, messing up my contour again. So we're gonna put a little bit here. Oh yeah, I only need a tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit. Like I'm just taking what's on the edge of it. I'm not even like putting more product out because I feel like it's a lot. So I'm really excited that I finally posted a video. I know that's so corny, and it really was. I don't know if anyone read the description, but it really was just a horrible video. But honestly, I just needed to put something out. I just needed to explain a little bit of what's been going on and what's to come, because I attempted doing other videos without explaining it, and it just didn't seem right. I just felt rude not saying anything, pretending like nothing happened. And then I would also end up talking about things because I felt like I needed to explain, so I would start explaining in that video, but then it made the video way too long, and I just needed to devote a little video, just a quick little one, just to explain, get out there, and now I can get back to business. To business. How do they say it? Now I can get back to business. I don't know, I'm back. Give me 2 minutes, not even. Ugh. Okay, now we can take a thumbnail. Now let's try putting the foundation over and see what happens. I'm gonna tap it on my hand first because you don't want to put like a big spot because then I feel like it's gonna cover it. So I'm gonna start down here. I'm actually using the True Match Lumi just because I wanted a luminous foundation for the video I'm filming next. Okay, so I feel like that just kind of took it all away, maybe? Maybe not. Maybe I used less. I think you're supposed to use a more watery foundation, which I do have, but I didn't really. Well, 1, I don't know where it is. 2, it's not my shade. And 3, that's not really. I might have to do an updated version of this and try this again. We'll see what happens. We'll see what the finished product is. I haven't even dipped back in, well, I am now, but I'm trying to use as little as possible and just go over lightly and try and blend it all. I feel like I look pretty crazy right now. I feel like I look way more crazy on camera than I do in my mirror. On camera, I look super, super white, ghostly white still. But in person, I don't. Blend. Okay. See, on camera, I can see the contour. In person, I guess I don't really, but... Okay, so I'm gonna set all of this really, really quick with just a translucent powder. And then I have to run and go eat my steak dinner really quick. and let this dry really good. Although I have my handy dandy little dollar fan that I got to dry this because I feel like it's really wet. Which is why this isn't like a super thick foundation to begin with, so I thought it would be okay. And my face just looks horrible. I don't know if it's between work or just stress of my overall life or everything combined, but my face has not looked this bad in years, 5-10 years. Like literally, this is the worst my skin has been in so long. Okay, I'm just gonna set under my eye a little bit better if I knew where that brush was, which I obviously do not. Because honestly, this is what I would wear to work. I wouldn't want to have to do all the other things, but I'm gonna go eat dinner really quick, let this dry, and in my mirror, it just looks like all one color. On camera, I can see the difference, but I still look crazy. So I'm gonna go eat dinner really quick and let this dry, and then we'll be back in a minute to see what we're gonna do from here. Okay, I'm back. Did some nice chatting. Thank you to the couple of you who came to my premiere for my comeback video. And yeah, ate some dinner and I'm back. Still looking crazy. I don't know, what do we think? It looks so different on camera than it does in person. It really does. Wow, this mirror is, I don't know how I can see out of that. So yeah, I mean, I guess it does work. This is something I would wear to work. I'd probably just leave it like this. I don't really like putting a lot of powders on before work because then if you sweat and you wipe it off, it looks crazy and it's just a mess. So this is definitely something I think I would try wearing to work. I do want to try it again with more like a BB cream water foundation. So I will definitely try that out and wear it to work. I'll do a little wear test and I'll post some before and after pictures on my Facebook page. So if you want to see what it's like with more of a water-based foundation, then you can come check that out. But yeah, just for this video and for the look I'm doing for my other video that I'm shooting tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some powders on top. Again, that'll be another video I do want to test on. Is it really worth putting the powders on top? Is it just another step and another layer of makeup that we have to wear? I mean, come on. Although lately with the way my face is, I feel like I need 80 layers of makeup to cover up this. Just gonna go ahead and throw on some quick contour powder over this, just quick. I know my makeup has not been looking the greatest. Like I said in my last video, I need to learn how to do makeup again. I just need to take my time, and I've just been so busy and rushing that I just kind of slap it on like I am right now, and it's not the greatest. And also, when you're just going to work in construction all day, you tend to not really care about your makeup as much because it doesn't matter. It's gonna get ruined in a minute anyway. Between the drywall dust and painting, I'm painting ceilings and dusting. I'm painting ceilings and sanding, so I'm always covered in white ceiling paint and drywall dust, so it doesn't really matter anyway. But like I said, I've just been trying a lot of things to see what works. I've been testing out some foundations and see how they wear at work. Yeah, so let's put some light highlight powder under my eyes. So yeah, now we need some bronzer. Ooh, I wish I had my other bronzer, but I don't even know where it is. First, I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Sun Bunny. I meant to use my liquid highlighter primer stuff too. Oh shoot, I was supposed to do that underneath too. Oh, I am gonna have to do this whole video again. I'm supposed to use the liquid highlight and the liquid blush underneath too. Wah wah, epic fail. Okay, well, so this was just step one for more of a natural look, I guess. And then, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this video again. And next time I'll try it with the water-based makeup. So instead of just posting on Facebook, I guess I'll be posting it here. Wah wah. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. I'm so mad at myself right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Glam Bronze just because I am trying to do summer, very bronzy. I don't even really know that I'm gonna go in with a blush. I haven't decided yet. I even go under my eyes sometimes because in this light, in my camera, it looks so white, like ghostly white, which that's not what it looks like in person, but I just want everything bronzy. Everything bronzy. Bronzy. Now I'm starting to look Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa. Yeah, that's what they're called, right? From Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Oompa Loompas? Why does that not seem right? That's right though, right? An Oompa Loompa. Right? Oh my god, am I so dumb right now? Am I so wrong? I don't remember. Okay, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna kind of mix the three. And see what happens. Just put a little blush. Pretty much this is just a video of just slapping a bunch of stuff on your face and blending it all together and see if it comes out okay. Use a different brush to kind of pat this all in. Blendy, blendy, blendy. I really should just sit here and just like rub my face with a brush and a beauty blender over and over and over again because I'm just throwing crap at my face. That would be an interesting video. Let's just take a bunch of powdered products and throw them at my face and blend it and see if we can make it happen. Like a work of art. You know, like with paintings and then you just slap on the paint? Let's do that with makeup. That could be kind of fun. I feel like that's what I just did. Okay, good enough. Nothing some highlighter can't fix, right? So I think I'm gonna go a little crazy with the highlighter. I'm gonna try and not give myself a highlight mustache this time. But we're gonna go crazy with the highlighter because like I said, I'm going for very bronzy, very glitzy, summery. That's what I'm going for. So we're gonna do it. So this is the True Match Lumi Shimmerista, and this one is in Sunlight, which is perfect because that's what I'm going for. And then on top, for just a little extra, we're gonna go with this one. This is in the shade Purple Dream, which I remember was very confusing to me because it's orange and not purple, but it actually has like little purple shimmers in it, and it's actually beautiful. How come nothing shows up good when I do my little swatches? Beauty, beauty, beauty. We're just gonna throw them on the face like everything else and see what happens. God, I'm a mess. I feel like I'm horrible and I'm starting all over and I'm like the worst YouTuber ever. I can't do makeup anymore. I can't make videos. I told you, I'm a mess. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Artist Couture. I never did my brows. We're gonna have to do that in the next video. Don't make a mustache this time. Now let's blend this all together a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender with the flat side and just kind of blend it in. I don't even know if I can post this video. I'm like crazy right now. Okay, so here we are at this point. So I'm gonna go do my eye makeup, aka cheat, and go film a second video. And then I will be back to give you the final look and my final thoughts. And yeah, I'll be back. Wish me luck, please. I need it. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my summery eye look, which kind of turned out into like a sunset eye look that I feel like everyone does, but I actually really liked it. I went ahead and tested out two of the new Profusion palettes, the Festival palette and the Metallics palette. So if you want to check out how I got this eye look and my reviews on these Profusion palettes, and make sure you go ahead and check out the video that I listed down below. So yeah, this is how everything came out. The face makeup, I don't know that the way I did it, the whole reverse makeup, really worked. I think I definitely need to try it again and try it with more of a watery foundation. And also, since I forgot the blush and the highlighter cream products, I definitely need to do it again. But I'm still gonna post this video anyway. Definitely don't hate it. Like I said, I definitely have to practice doing makeup again. Working in construction is actually how I ended up not doing makeup for so long, and when I got back into it, I found my true passion for it again that I lost so long ago. So that's why I've been crazy with makeup and trying all these new things now that I'm back into it. But here's the final look. I don't hate it. Definitely, like I said, want to tweak it again. I tried a new lipstick, the Revlon Bold Lipstick, on my lips to get this summery, bronzy, sunset eye look. So if you like this video, I would absolutely love it if you gave me a big thumbs up. And comment down below, have you played with summer eyeshadows, or do you like the Profusion eyeshadows? Have you tried any of them? I got so many of them that they will be in multiple videos. And yeah, I can't wait to talk to all of you down below. I'm so happy to be back. And yeah, that's gonna do it for me today. So once again, thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. I just don't even remember how to make these damn videos anymore. Wait, I forgot a whole part. These colors aren't the same either, obviously. Alright, I just need 1 minute to put foundation over this. If you saw me, I look hella crazy. I just need to put the foundation. Where is the foundation? I got this eye look. Where is this hair coming from?